Hello, good evening. My name is Young Akolache Barnabas, and today we are looking at the letter I. And remember, I is a vowel. I. What kind of vowel? It is the long vowel. In our previous video, we had a look at the sound for C, that the soft C and the hard G. I also had a look at we had a look at the sound for G, that is the soft G and the hard G. G, G, hard. J, J, soft. Then we look at some example, gate and send, gate and gym. So today, now we are looking at the letter I. I said already that I is a long vowel. Now let's look at these two words that we have here. The first word, let's write the spelling. The first word is eyes. Eyes. So if you look at the word eyes, you can see that here our I sounds the same. I. So let me write it here for I. Alternatively, I. So this is our I sound. So I can make I. So when I makes the same sound as the letter of the alphabet, we say that I says its name, and it's the long vowel. Whenever a vowel says its name, it is called long vowel. Example, A, E, I, O, U. These are all long vowels. Now let's look at the second example. The second example is ink. Let's write the sound. Ink. Ink. And what sound does it make here? It makes the it sound. The it sound. So I can say I or it. So here we have our I. It makes the sound I, as in eyes. And it can also change itself to make another sound it, as in ink. Examples like in, if, inside, iguana. So these are the sounds that the letter I can make. Two basic sounds. I can make I and also it, I, it, I, it. See you. Bye.